Good morning, first graders. We are on theme 6, week 1, day 1 of your KAM blueprints. The story for the week, The Sleeping Pig. Theme concept, real and imaginary animals have all kinds of adventures. Strategy, summarize. So remember, summarize means to say what happened in the beginning, middle, and end of a story. Skill, story structure, phonemic awareness. Okay, today we're going to get our stretchers ready. Here we go. We're going to stretch out the word shed. Sh, d, shed. Good. Next word is going to be hop. Stretch it out. And word. Next word, make. And word. Next word, jump. So you should say j, p. Word, jump. Good. Last word, rope. And word. Good. Okay. Let's move on to letter names. Letter, 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 letter. Okay, great job. Irregular words. So again, for this one, I'm going to say the word, spell the word, and say the word again, and then it will be your turn to say, spell, and say the word again. And then remember, these are our sight words, and we practice these every day because these are words that occur a lot in the stories that you read. Okay, so first word, give. G-I-V-E. Give. Your turn, word. Spell give. And word. My turn, word, good. G-O-O-D. Good. Your turn, word. Spell good. And word. My turn, word, her. H-E-R. Her. Your turn, word. Spell her. And word. My turn, word, little. Ooh, let's do this in a little tiny mouse voice. My turn, word, little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Your turn, word. Spell little. And word. My turn, word, try. T-R-Y. Try. Your turn, word. Spell try. And word. My turn, word, was. W-A-S. Was. Your turn, word. Spell was. And word. My turn, word, fly. F-L-Y. Fly. Your turn, word. Spell fly. My turn, word, hour. O-U-R. Hour. Your turn, word. Spell hour. And word. My turn, word, watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Oh my golly, that was a long word, you guys. You can do this though. I'll give you extra time. This was a long word to spell. Your turn, word. Spell watermelon. And word. And I think that one was in there because it's the word that appears in our story, The Sleeping Pig, this week. Okay, now we're on to letter sounds. So again, I'm going to do the first few sounds with you, but after that, when I say sound, you need to make the sound out loud. Sound. Sound. Oops, I was going to do it with you. I. Sound. Sound. And this one makes two sounds, so you should go eh or e. Sound. The double E makes that E sound. Good. Sound. This means it's going to make that long A sound, so you should say A. Sound. 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 Ooh, that means it's going to make the long U. That's one of our focus sounds for the week. So when you see a U with a consonant and an E, that means that it's going to make that U, that long U sound. 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 Whoops. Now we're on to day one. Here we go. I'll do the first one with you. Sound. Sound. U. Blend. Hue. Sound. J. Blend. Huge. Word. Huge. Ooh. This is that G that makes that J sound. Good job. Okay, next one you're going to sound out without me. So sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Did you say pig? Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Should have said patch. Patch. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. So you should have said sleep. And then the second syllable is ing that says that ing sound. So it's first syllable sleep, second syllable ing. Put it together, word sleeping. Great job, first graders.